Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and we're going to be chrome deleting this 2018 CTS-V. I have no idea what I'm doing, and my husband's never done it, so I have no direction either. This should be fun. Let's get to it. Here's our vinyl. It's from Slick Mod. We got to cut it up to be able to use it, and then we got this Amazon special heat gun with all the parts to get the vinyl on. So let's cut the vinyl. So like I said, we have no idea what we're doing. I cut some pieces and we're not really sure which ones are which, but we do know this one is for the trunk. So we are going to clean it off. What's this? Maybe. All right, then you're gonna clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol. Now comes the fun part. I'm excited, really excited for this, okay? So we're gonna take the entire thing off because this one has to be lined up in the center. And then I'm going to line it up in the center and work my way out. All right. That's better. I don't feel like this is doing anything. That's doing something. Okay, I'm gonna get that little tool to push it in. Y'all don't follow my whatever I'm doing. I already know I'm not doing great, but here we are. Okay, I'll do that at the end after I get the bottom out. All right, so far, I don't think I've done half bad. honestly. I don't think I'm doing it right, but that's okay. I'm learning as I go. I'm gonna do it more like the YouTube video I saw and do the top first and then work my way down and do smaller sections. So let's try that. In here. Oh, this is the part that's well, it's not too bad. I should probably heat it up a little bit more. I think I did decent, okay? Minus this little crease. My husband got the air bubble out with a syringe, so you know, there's that. But other than that, I would think I did pretty decent, especially if I've never done anything like this, nor did I even know how a heat gun worked. I definitely thought it was hotter than what a heat gun is. Not a glorified blow dryer. Anyways, let's get to the windows and then probably lunch. Okay, so I lied, we ate lunch first, but now we're gonna do the windows. I'm gonna do the back window and Jody's gonna do the front window and we're gonna see who wins. It's gonna be me. Let's get to it. Guess who won? It was me, it was me. So doing this was probably easier than the back, but I realized, if you saw, I had to take off the vinyl multiple times, which probably isn't great for it. But once I started from over here, it was much easier to get the top piece to go around and fit better in. Other than that, I really didn't have much issue with this one. And when you got to this part, when you tuck it in, there's like extra vinyl, so you have to cut it off, which I hate using a razor knife, but I did it, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not the best back here, but I don't use knives, so. But anyways, so we're gonna finish the car and then let you see what it looks like from before to after. If I do say so myself, it turned out pretty magnificent, especially since neither one of us have ever done this before. The other side is the side I did specifically, and it looks the best. That being said, Jody did the front, and what happened is the grill stuff came with like the wrong grill, I guess the CTS instead of the CTS-V, which made it just a little bit out of shape. So this is like a half a piece, and it's just a collage of things. That being said, if you have any tips or tricks, I would love to hear them in the comments because we still have the B pillar to do. Obviously, if you look at it, it doesn't look that great, but you know, it is what it is. Other than that, like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.